In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Meet ID and password, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an online meeting or joining one that's been scheduled, knowing how to quickly locate the meeting ID and password is essential. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll look at the most common method for finding the Google Meet ID and password, the meeting invitation. When you receive an invitation to join a Google Meet, it is usually sent via email or added to your calendar as an event. This invitation holds all the details you need, so it's a great first place to check. Open the invitation email or the calendar event and you will see a link to join the meeting. This link is key to accessing the meeting. Clicking this link typically takes you directly into the Google Meet. Next, let's talk about the meeting ID itself. Once you have that meeting link in front of you, take a closer look at it. The meeting ID is often embedded within the link. It's usually a string of letters and numbers right after the web address. This code is unique to each meeting and acts as the identifier so participants can join the correct session. Make sure to take note of it, especially if you're joining from a different device where you might have to manually enter the code. Now, you might be wondering about passwords. Interestingly, most Google Meet meetings do not require a separate password. This is one of the conveniences of using Google Meet. It simplifies the process so you can join the meeting with just the link. However, there might be occasions where a password is required. If this is the case, the password will always be explicitly mentioned within the invitation, so rest assured that if a password is necessary, you will not be left in the dark. Check your invitation details carefully to find it. Remember, these methods make it incredibly straightforward to find everything you need to join your meeting. Keep an eye on your email or calendar notifications, and remember that everything from the link to the meeting ID and even a potential password is usually bundled up neatly within that original invitation. With these simple steps, you're well prepared to locate your Google Meet ID and password quickly, so go ahead, check your invitations, and never let finding meeting details be a hassle again. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Happy meeting, and see you next time.